This is gonna be a speed art video of me just casually creating something in Photoshop. As you can see, I like to work on close-up shots mostly. I don't know why, but I feel like photos that are shot from a close distance show so much more emotion in the animal, in this case the fox. Anyways, I created the background in Mid-Journey because I wanted to try out AI for these kind of purposes. So instead of letting AI create the whole artwork, which is not so creative at all, because you're not the creator if you do that, I let Midjourney just create a background that I had in mind. It came out pretty good, I think. I had keywords like forest in daylight with light beam and stuff like that. I even tried it with orange and brown color tones, but it just made the whole leaf look like autumn season, so I did not use those images. So if you create stuff in Photoshop and you're passionate about it, and decide to use AI, try to figure out how you're going to use it, because if you let AI create the whole artwork, I don't think you created it. And a lot of artists hate it now because anyone can just type some text and let AI create it. I'm not a fan of it either, but I will find a way how I can use it, because it's going to stay here with us anyways. You could also try to let AI create the animal, for instance, to watch in a specific direction and type black background after it. And then when you cut it out in Photoshop and create your own stuff around it, it's gonna be your own work. Because when you use photos to create art, you're limited to the stock photos that are available. And sometimes you have to create something you have in mind, but you can't find the right photo. So it's a bit difficult process. Although when AI creates it, it's not a photo anymore, but a digital graphic. I like to keep all the work I create with real photos. So it's gonna be a real challenge to stay with photos. Anyways, that's my opinion about it. I have fun with AI and I hope you have too. And try to create as much as possible yourself, because AI can't replace real handmade work that is created with emotions by yourself.